Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video I am here with a new off-campus recruitment from the Kantar company. You can check here, they have mentioned we are hiring. Okay, so this is mainly an off-campus drive for the fresher candidates. So here they have mentioned company information. Okay, so the company website is this. So we will check the job description and eligibility criteria. Kantar is hiring for software developer or software engineer product development for BE BTech MCA candidates batch 2021 graduates are eligible. Okay, so BE BTech 2021 batch and MCA 2021 batch candidates are eligible. Job title software development software developer or software engineer. Job type is full time. Work location is Bangalore. Offered CTC is 4 LPA to 5.5 LPA. There is no bond. And they have mentioned eligibility criteria: professional graduate in either streams like BE BTech, only computer science, information science or information technology or and electronics branch, and MCA only 2021 and MCA graduates only 2021 pass outs are eligible. Okay, you should have excellent communication skill, a minimum academic score of 60% in 10th and 12th, a minimum score of 60% in graduation. Students with active backlog are not eligible to participate in the placement process with Kantar. Okay, essential skills: data structure, RDBMS, strong communication skills, operating system concept, for example Unix. Candidate should be well versed in at least one programming language, preferably C, C++, Java. It's not necessary to have knowledge on all these three programming languages. If you are good in one, that is also sufficient. If you are good in C++, that is also sufficient. Okay, so roles and responsibilities once you join a Kantar company as a software engineer or software developer: understand business requirement and architectural recommendation from lead engineer, develop, test and maintain product component, understand detailed design and contribute to the design element at a module level, apply best practices in the software development and review test case. Okay, so selection process will be online aptitude test link will be shared to the registered email ID through support@myanatomy. Okay, so from this mail ID you will get aptitude test mail. Okay, then once you crack aptitude test, there will be technical interview and there will be HR interview, and after that there will be once you crack HR interview, they will release the offer letter. Okay, then online test will be sent to the registered candidates who meet the eligibility criteria. Okay, shortlisted candidates from the test should be available for the further interview process. Online interviews will be conducted. Interview will be online. Candidates should be available for the immediate joining. Okay, so these are the important guidelines. So how to apply for this off-campus drive: enter your mail ID here, then click on verify email. Once you click on verify email, you will get OTP on your registered mail on the mail ID which you will enter here. Once you enter the OTP, then verify it. Okay, so after verification, enter these details: full name, contact number, current location, college or institute name, then select your graduation degree, then select your graduation branch. If post graduation is degree is not available, then select NA, not applicable, from the drop down list. Okay, so then please mention graduation percentage. Do not write CGPA, you will not be considered. Okay, so convert your CGPA into percentage. Okay, multiply your CGPA into by 10, then you will get percentage. Please mention 12th percentage, do not write CGPA. Please mention 10th percentage. Do you have any active backlog? If you say yes, then they have already mentioned that student with active backlog are not eligible to participate in this placement process. Okay, So select answer accordingly. Are you available to join immediately? If selected, select yes, then tick this box, then submit this form. Okay, so from this way you can apply to this off campus drive. So guys, dear batch 2021 from BE BTech MCA candidates, please apply for this position. Don't miss this chance. This is freshers off campus drive, and please share this video with your friends as well, so that they will also get an opportunity to apply for this off campus drive. And thanks for watching this video.